Hey guys, welcome to the Vidsnatcher 2.0 demo video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Vidsnatcher 2.0 to create amazing videos. So let's just get started with logging in. So first thing you see is the dashboard area where you can see some of the bonus templates, and a lot of templates are in the upgraded versions, so you can check them out as well. And here you can select any size you want to create. This is a new feature in Vidsnatcher 2.0. You can select from multiple sizes, and above here you can see some purchases, my projects, training videos, agency users, support, and logout options. So let's just get started to the Vidsnatcher editor area by clicking one of these sizes. So let's just create a YouTube 1080p standard size video. Alright, so this is the editor area of Vidsnatcher 2.0. As you can see, there is a timeline right here and at the bottom, and you can see there's an open canvas right here, and on the left side there is option to import media. So let's just get started with importing a video. Alright, so as you can see, the video has been uploaded, and now I can drag it onto my canvas and it will be added to the canvas and on the timeline as well. Alright, now let's just go ahead and play and check it out.
If you're looking for a professional,
as you can
reliable,
see, it's
and
playing
affordable
beautifully.
local.
Let me just turn off the voice so you can hear.
Cleaning service, you've come to the right place.
Okay, so as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. On the left side, when you select a element, you can see some options like element alignment tools and positioning and opacity options or scale to fit. You can drag it to customize the size of the video as well, or you can drag it on the left side to crop a video just like
We're
that.
proud to be the premier local.
As you can see, it's quite simple. On the top here, you can see some options like icons and text options. On the if you click on the icons, you can see there are a lot of static and animated options ready to be used. Animated options are actually locked for upgraded version, but in the commercial version you can use all of these static icons by just simply clicking and dragging onto your canvas. Here you can add your text by clicking, by simply entering your text like hello there. I'm just gonna go ahead and click it, add text, and it will add the text right here onto your canvas. And I can change the translation of this text to any language you want. This is a really powerful tool that I can use. I can change the font of the text as well. Simple click. You can change the font size, stroke size, and the color of the text as well. So as you can see, it's quite simple and simple drag and tool. There are some text styles on the right side as well, and some alignment options on the right side panel. The next step is you can add some shapes if you want. There are some built-in shapes that you can use onto your videos, and there are some transitions that you can use. So if I need to add some transition to this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select this video right here, and I'm going to go ahead to the transitions, and I'm just going to say that it should drop from the right side, from the left side of the canvas. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and you can see the animation has been applied from the left. And now when I play from the start, it will.
If you're looking for a professional, reliable, and
so as you can see, it's working beautifully. You can add more effects right from here as well. And moving onto the audio side, there are a lot of background musics that are in the upgraded version that you can use. And moving on to the text to speech option, you can select from built-in scripts that we have done for you in different niches that you can directly use, really converting scripts that are or you can write your own text right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say hello dog. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enter hello, this is a dog. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and translate it to, let's say, keep the translation into English, but you can translate it to whatever language you want. Let's just go ahead and keep the voice type to be wave or standard. Let's just keep it wave. The wave sounds are really natural sounding. The standard are not so natural sounding, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep wave. The language to which I want to convert is in which I want the text to speech is English, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter English. and gender should be male, and accent should be, you can choose from different accents as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it into United Kingdom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit search voices, and I'm just gonna go select one of these and listen to the audio.
This is a dog.
Okay, so it's working perfectly. I'm just gonna go ahead and click this add to media library button, and it will be added to the media library. As you can see, this is added right here, and now I can use into my timeline as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it.
We're proud to be
I'm just gonna go ahead and check it.
the right place. We're proud to
Hello,
be
this
the
is
premier local cleaning.
Okay, so this is working perfectly. Another great option in Vidsnatcher 2.0 is green screen removal option that you can use to remove the green screen of any video. You're just gonna go ahead and click the green screen video you want to remove, and I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one because this has a green background. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this button right here, remove green screen option, and I'm just gonna go ahead and select this color picker tool to select the background I want to remove. I'm just gonna go ahead and click this, and it will select this color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some background image that I want to apply to when I remove this green background. Okay, so I've uploaded a image of a real estate image to apply onto the background. I'm just gonna go ahead and click apply changes to see the effects. Alright, so this looks really nice. You can fine-tune these options to fine-tune the edges around the person. So I'm just gonna keep it like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click save changes and add it to my media library. Alright, so the video has been added to the media library, and I can use it by dragging onto my canvas. Alright, so this looks really
All
nice.
types of beer looking
I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this or mute this below video.
for a professional, reliable, and affordable local cleaning.
Okay, so this looks really nice. This is how you can remove a green screen. Some more interesting features in Vidsnatcher 2.0 are recording voiceover. You can record your voiceover right from here by simple clicking this button, and it will start recording, and it will add it to your media library, of course. Another feature is the record screen video, where you can record your screen, or you can record your webcam, or you can record your webcam plus screen recording as well by clicking this button. This is how it works. So once you are done, you can save the project by going to project, save project option, and you can save it to whatever you want. Let's just say new project, and I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. The project is saved. Now you can directly export it by clicking this button right here. Okay, so the video has been put into the queue of exporting, and you can see the status of your exported video inside my video tab. And amazing thing about Vidsnatcher 2.0 is that you don't have to wait for the export to happen. You just go ahead and close your Vidsnatcher 2.0, even shut down your computer, but your rendering will still keep on going on the server end of the application, and once it's done you will get an email notification once it's done, and you can also see the status right inside your video status bar. As you can see, the video is rendering. It's done 5%, 6%, it's progressing, and once it's done you will get an email notification. Another great feature is the mobile uploads that you can use with Vidsnatcher 2.0. When you open Vidsnatcher 2.0 inside your mobile, you will see a different option to upload or record from your mobile phone, and once you upload a video from your mobile phone or record your video from your mobile phone, it will be available inside the desktop version of Vidsnatcher 2.0 right here inside the mobile uploads. So this is how this mobile uploads work. So this was it for Vidsnatcher 2.0. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and this is a really powerful tool that you can use to create amazing videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you next. Thank you.